जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्री कृष्णा। I am a Hindu, I am a Hindu, I am a Hindu. Man is duty bound to follow and protect his dharma in the world. He say in Bhagavad Gita. Hence, it our duty to protect our Hindu dharma from Western culture.
What is your idea to protect our Hindu Dharma?
Protect our Hindu poor peoples and anything purchase our poor peoples and develop our poor peoples. Why? Because we develop your culture in India, we also survive in India. Without developing our culture or anything, without India is not in future.
You are coming from?
I am coming from Vijayawada.
When you came here?
Today morning only I came. I searched in Google and came directly here.
What is your feedback about our Dharmasala?
So much better, and I know so very well in our Dharma, Hindu Dharma. And again, I again visit Kanchipuram and other Hindu temples. Please protect our Hindu Dharma.
Whether anybody demand money here?
No, nothing is.
Whether any of our staff demand money from you?
No. It's all are free. Food and accommodation also free here.
What about the hygienic of bathroom and toilet room?
It's very good, and receiving guests are also very well.
Today date?
Today 13 July 2026. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.